I'm Kasey Buckley, and I'm doing Sarah Burke's competition history. Since 2008, Sarah Burke has competed and placed in 15 competitions. Sarah Burke was one of the top athletes in women's free skiing and an early favorite to win the Olympic gold medal at the 2014 Winter Games in Russia. A scatter plot is a graph of individual data points used to determine if there is a pattern between two items. My data set is a set of ordered pairs.
Slide 2. Slide 3.
This is a list of vocabulary that I use throughout my scatter plot. Scatter plot, data set, outlier, trend line, and my prediction equation. The trend line is a line through your scatter plot that best represents the average of the data set. Prediction equation, the equation of your trend line in y equals mx plus b, for that is used to predict the future values of your data set. On my x-axis is the competitions, and it's 1 through 15, and that's through the years of 2008 to 2011. On the y-axis is the scores, and it's 50 through 100. And those are the scores where Sarah Burke ranged from. So now I graphed all my data, and as you can see, there is outliers, and those are data sets that throw off your pattern throughout your data set, and those would be these, and those are the sets where she scored very well on. So now I found my trend line, and the trend line is a line through your scatter plot that best represents the average of the data set. The points I found was 777 and 1084. Now that I have my points, I have to find slope and I have to find y. So this is the equation to find slope, and this is the equation to find y. To find slope, you would set them up in a fraction form with 10 minus 7 and 77 minus 84. And you get 3 over 7.
You're so cute.
Now we find y. Since we already found slope, you just simply plug it in with the x and y values. So now we have y minus 77 equals 3 over 7 multiplied by x minus 7. Now you do y minus 77 equals 3 over 7 x minus 3 because we distributed. And then you get y equals 3 over 7 x plus 74. So you get 74, you set 3 in fraction form and then cross multiply, and the 3's cross out. And then, so 77 minus 3 is 74. My plot for my prediction equation would be the 21st competition. And so I plug that in as x, so you do y equals 3 over 7 times 21 over 1 plus 74. And then you end up getting y equals 84. So my prediction for 21 would be the data point 84. My prediction equation seems valid because Sarah Burke's competition history just kept on rising, and she just kept on improving her skills. My equation is useful to people if they want to decide to write biographies on Sarah Burke, have ski competitions so they can average their scores and see how people are doing, or ranking on other skiers for other competitors to improve on any skills they need to do.